Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another wig review from Klaiyi Hair. This is their brush gift set that they sent over. It has hair tools, and then they also sent over a wig cap and some nails. I love when they do that, and then an elastic band. So I'm just unboxing the wig, and we're going to be putting this wig on straight out of the package. This is the Yaki Straight Put On and Go Glueless Wig. It's the 7x5 bye-bye knots. It's pre-cut and pre-bleached, and obviously the lace is already cut. It has a natural hairline, and as you can see, it comes with a lot of body already. This wig has the kinky edges. Now when you order the wig, you can choose from the kinky edge like this, or you can choose the normal edge. It's your choice. I chose the kinky edge. So this is what the lace space looks like. You get 7x5 inches, and then you get a comb in the back, and then in the package they also attached an removable adjustable band. I'm just showing you guys more clips of the kinky edges. This is like really good if you want to camouflage the lace. Before I put mine on, I'm just spraying it with my lace tinting spray. They also sent over some lace tape. I decided not to use the lace tape in this video because the elastic band was good enough for me, so I didn't need to have any extra support or anything. But if you want to, keep your wig on for a long period of time, you can definitely use the lace tape, and the sides won't lift up or anything. I'm just showing you guys up close of what it looks like with the kinky edges, and now we are going to start styling the hair. I just applied some of my wax stick, and then I'm going to use my hot comb so that I can make that middle part nice and flat. Now I'm gonna frame my face a little bit just right at the front. I pulled out two small little areas, and I'm just cutting it down in a downward motion. Now this hair already comes straight, so I'm just going over with my flat iron and smoothing everything through. I didn't think I had to do like a detail straightening because it was pretty much already straight. Here's another view of what the edges look like if you want to like pull them down. Like I said, it does camouflage the lace, so that's also great. You don't have to worry about your lace showing through because the kinky edges pretty much cover that up. And this is what the hair looks like after I straightened it everything. As you can see, the hair still has texture, but it doesn't have those little crinklies in it or anything. And I didn't use any glue or any lace spray or anything like that on it. I can easily lift the wig up and take it off. This is what the back looks like. Like I said, a lot of body, a lot of movement. I'm 5'6", and that's how long it is on me at the back. Yep, completely glueless. My makeup came off a little bit, but don't mind that. This wig can also be worn curly. You can curl this wig using a heat of 420 to 450. So I believe I put it all the way to the top. Yeah, I took it to the max. So I put it at 450, and I'm curling the hair, and I'm curling I just like split it in the middle, and I'm curling both sides to the back. I didn't use any product or anything, so I'm just wanting to show you guys what it would look like without adding any holding spray or anything like that to it. And as you can see, it does a really good job of taking a curl. It curls really nicely. Now this is big because a lot of kinky straight textures, they do not curl. Y'all know I've been having this issue for a little while. The kinky straight textures do not curl, so I was pleasantly surprised that it actually curled, and it actually held a curl, because usually when I do this, y'all, it doesn't even last till the time that I'm done curling the hair. The curls are already falling. And like I said, I didn't use any product or anything like that, so this was very impressive. Okay, y'all, this is what it looks like all curled. As you can see, the curls are in there, they're not going anywhere. So I'm just going to finger detangle the hair. I didn't want to brush it out too much. I'm just finger detangling it so that the curls can last. Depending on what you want, you can brush it out a lot so you can have like more of a wavy look, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like with curls. So yeah, I definitely recommend this hair if you want like a more natural look, a natural hairline. This is great for you. So if you like this wig or any other wig, check out Klaiyi hair. Their links and everything will be in my description. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.